To import DME files in your 3shape software, just go to the Straumann.com webpage. In the main menu, select in the Digital Performance section CADCAM libraries. Here you will find some instructions to read also how to use DME files for your 3shape system. And on the lower part you can now select the DME files for the system you want to integrate in your software. In that example we selected 3shape, global elements and neodent abutments. Select download. Once downloaded, please extract your folder. Then you open your 3shape control panel. Select in the section Tools, Import Export. Then click Import Materials. Browse to the right folder where you saved your file and select the correct DME file you want to import. Click Open. Click Import again. Now you can close the control panel, confirm with quick yes to save. And now we would like to show you also how to set up a new order. Select your tooth in the tooth chart, then select abutment. Select the correct abutment that you downloaded with your DME file. Make sure you select the right system and the right platform. Then on the second layer you can also select the material that you want to create for your second layer, including the color. And make sure that you select as a manufacturer Straumann. Connectivity.